Texas has a college readiness standard based upon the SAT or ACT. The student meets this standard by getting 1110 on the SAT or 24 or more on the ACT. All of the Texas high schools are displayed on this chart. The size of each circle shows the number of graduates in 2008. The height of the circle on the vertical axis is given by the percentage of eligible students who took the SAT or ACT and scored above the threshold. The color of each circle indicates the fraction of non-white students. There's a very strong relationship between the concentration of poverty in schools, indicated on the horizontal axis, and the performance of students on the SAT or ACT and their readiness for college. How did the charter schools perform in comparison with the other schools in Texas? I highlight them. Most of the charter schools are down on the horizontal axis, where none of the students are graduating from high school ready for college by the SAT-ACT measure. Perhaps judging by the SAT or ACT is too strict a measure. Let's look at commended scores at 11th grade. Now on the vertical axis is the percentage of students in 11th grade getting commended scores on the high-stakes test, TAKS, mathematics. Once again, highlighting the charter schools, one sees that most are below the regular public schools. There are now, however, 5 that serve a large number of low-income kids and do really quite well. These are some of the well-known charter schools such as Yes, KIPP, IDEA, and Harmony. What about passing scores? Perhaps the charter schools are more successful than the regular public schools at that. Highlighting them, one sees that once again there is a number that are competitive with the best of the regular public schools, but most of the charter schools are actually clustered below the main public school band. Let's look at some of the minority subgroups. This is college readiness by the SAT-ACT criterion for Hispanic students in Texas in 2008. Highlighting the charter schools, one sees that once again they're clustered almost completely on the horizontal axis. For African American students, the story is similar. Highlighting the charter schools, they are again almost completely on the horizontal axis. Finally, let's look at white students in Texas in 2008. The linkage between poverty and college readiness is no longer as dramatic as it was for the other groups, but once again, highlighting charter schools, one finds that with some small and rare exceptions, they are lying at the very bottom of performance.